Good morning, guys. Umahota, let's have breakfast. I have your Nescafe and leftover from last night. Sir Anton ordered fries, and also it was yesterday I boiled. And the fish, I still have a piece of fish. Bon appetit! Mami magkinamot. The rice is special. I think Turkish rice. It's all leftover, guys. Excuse my background because there's a little boy watching YouTube. This is lunch and breakfast. I still have here little bagoong in the egg.
We just launched on a brand new merch, so go to www.sprinkle.com right now to get it because it's your merch! This stuff is actually so fire. This is the best hoodie we've ever made. It's so comfortable. The more time we spend on the road, the more insane we got. Wow! Are you good, Jack? Jaden seems to be yours. Hey! Are you good? I'm good.
Thank you for watching, guys.